Boys and girls, let's look at the cursive letter B. It looks a little strange, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But you need to remember that the printed letter B has a straight part and then a round part. If you look very closely, you'll notice that on the cursive letter B, there's also a straight part and a round part. It just doesn't close up at the top like on a printed B. To write a cursive letter B, we are going to start at the grass again. We're going to do an undercurve, a loop back, and a slant, kind of like with the letter L. Then you do another undercurve, but stop at the plane, and do a little check stroke at the end. You guys remember the check stroke from the letter W. Let's try it again. Get your fingers ready. Undercurve, loop back, slant, undercurve, check stroke. All right, let's try it one more time. Undercurve, loop back, slant, undercurve, check stroke. Boys and girls, when you're making the letter B, you have to be really, really careful when you make that second undercurve. Let me show you. If I've already made the top part, when I do the second undercurve, I need to come up kind of parallel. That means that it kind of matches, it doesn't get any closer or further away before I make my check stroke. A common misconception is that you could make your loop and then come back to the beginning and come out. But that doesn't look like a real cursive letter B. It looks a little more like the printed B, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But it's not a correctly written cursive B, so I'm going to put an X through that one. Remember, you make the first part like the cursive letter L, and then you undercurve back to the plane and make your check stroke. I bet you're wondering how we connect the B to other letters. Well, let's see. What word could we write with the letters that we already know? Oh, I know. How about the word bit? B-I-T. I'm going to start by making my cursive B. Get your fingers ready and trace along with me. Undercurve, loop back, slant, undercurve, check stroke. And that check stroke is going to just go up and be the first part of my I. Now I'm going to bring my I back down, do an undercurve, into the T, slant, undercurve. Then I'm going to cross my T and dot my I. This is not the very best writing that I could possibly do, because look at my T. It almost looks like my T has a loop in it. Maybe I should try the word bit again. I'll try it below. Get your fingers ready. Undercurve, loop back, slant, undercurve, check stroke into the I, slant, undercurve into the T, trace it right back down as a slant, undercurve. Then I'm going to cross my T and dot my I. Great job, guys. Now it's time to practice on your own.